cover and makeup with one towelette.
Need any more proof than that?
Neutrogena.
These outdoor furnishings from Lowe's are so stylish, it almost feels like we're inside the house.
So when we leave, you're willing to trust that guy with your life.